Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Train your brain for school. You're almost ready for the first day of school. Teacher's name? Check. Backpack? Check. Supercomputer? Well, yes. You have one last thing to get ready. Your brain. The most important tool you will need for school is inside your skull, and it needs lots of care. A good night's sleep and a positive attitude can warm it up for paying attention, remembering your homework, and learning new facts and skills. Here are more tips and tricks to help train your brain for school. Think a thankful thought. Make your first big thought in the morning a grateful one. Who or what are you thankful for? Think of someone or something that makes you smile. Be grateful to have that person or thing in your life. This starts you off with a good outlook and sets the tone for the rest of your day. Get tapping. Tap your hands and fingers. Get your toes going too. March your legs. Twist your torso. Roll your shoulders and stretch your neck. While moving, think about how well your body works for you. It even breathes for you. This makes your brain believe that you love and appreciate your body. Now give yourself a hug. Sing or hum. Make up a song while you're walking down the street. The words don't even have to make sense. Creating your own music releases chemicals that can make you feel happy and boost your body's fight against germs. If your head feels stuffy, try humming a tune. Humming can increase the airflow through your sinuses. Make playlists of your favorite songs on your music player or in your head. The music you love can help you get pumped up for school. It can also help you wind down at the end of the day. Smell something nice. The nose has a strong effect on the brain. Scents that bring happy memories to mind can make you feel good instantly. Identify a few scents that are easy to find and give you the warm and fuzzies. Maybe a soap that reminds you of a loved one, a spice from a favorite holiday food, or a drop of sunscreen that sends your mind on a mini vacation. Breathe deeply. Take a minute to sit up or stand up straight and take a few deep breaths through your nose. This sends more oxygen to your brain and helps it work better. Also, when you focus on your breathing, you turn your attention away from stress and worries and toward being calm and relaxed. Laugh out loud. Look for reasons to laugh. Chuckle to yourself or laugh out loud. If you're not in the mood, smile first, and that can get things started. Tell a joke to someone nearby. Laughing makes you feel good, often by making bonds stronger with family and friends. It also reduces stress and boosts your immune system. In fact, some scientists think that laughing may be almost as good for your health as exercise is. Count your blessings. Thinking about positive things before you go to bed can help you get a good night's sleep. When you're winding down, try to remember all the nice things that happened during the day, even if everything didn't go perfectly. Write down all the happy moments in a list, then add things you're grateful for. As you go through each day, look for moments to add to your list that evening. Doing this may help you notice positive things happening around you. Research shows that people who count their blessings before going to bed often sleep more soundly, have increased peace of mind, and tend to be kinder and happier. Use your imagination. Relax by using free moments to let your mind create imaginary places, people, and things. Think of a fantastical new creature, or design wings to fly with in your imagination. Or let your mind travel to a real place or event that you find calming. Remembering real details, visit a favorite relative's home or a cool stream. Take deep breaths as you relax and explore a real or imaginary world. Try kindness. Do an act of kindness at least once every day. Make it a habit. Hold the door for someone. Say hello to kids who look like they could use a smile. Ask if you can sit with someone who is sitting alone. Compliment people on their good ideas or on nice things they did. Being kind to others can help them and you feel good. Have a great school year. All these tips and tricks can get you in the right mindset for school and set you up for success and happiness. So go for it. Get the supercomputer in your head ready for action. Feed it new skills and information, and make your upcoming school year a great one.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.